Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll show you my new rear tray lid that was just installed last week. So this is a roll cover from HSP. It's made in Australia. It's a electric operated rear lid shutter lid. So it's all automatic. There are three ways of opening this lid. One is by using the key fob. So it's hooked up to the central locking system. So if I double tap the unlock button, it will open automatically, which is very, very handy if you are loaded with things, or compared to the metal hard lid, this is a much easier lid to open. So you can see inside, it's actually a clamp-on system, so nothing needs to be drilled, everything is just clamped on, so it's quite easy to install. Took the distributor maybe around 2 hours to install this, including the wiring. And there are a couple of water outage or water leaking pipes that needs to be drilled into the tray liner, and goes into the tray liner and out from underneath the tray liner. There are actually different holes inside the tray liner, and water will just escape from there. This water that needs to be escaped is actually coming from this mechanism here. So water might get in from these gaps and will need to be exited out somewhere. So that's where these two pipes come from, to allow water to escape. So this tray also comes with a full bar LED, which is very good. Actually, at night or when the light is dim, this LED actually works really well. It illuminates the whole tray really, really well. Okay, let's close this. So to close it, you just need to double tap the close button and the lid will shut automatically. So the second way to open this, let's unlock it, is by using these two buttons right here. Actually, you press it once, it will open. If you press it again, it will stop halfway. Press again, it will open. So it's very, very easy to use. So press that to close it. Very easy. And the good thing about these shutter lids is when it's closed, you can still open the rear tray door. So that's very handy. Because in my last gen Raptor, I had a metal full-size hard lid on the back, and when I fitted my rooftop tent on there, it's very hard to open the hard lid up, and also it's very hard to access the rear tray. I couldn't really open the back tray door with the hard lid on and the roof tent on, so that's really difficult. That's why when I got this new generation Raptor, I decided to go for a shutter lid. So later on, when I fit on my rooftop tent, even when the tent is on and when the tent is up, I can easily access what is inside here. So this will still be able to open, and I can also open the rear tray door as well very easily. And the third way to open the lid is by using an app in the phone that I just installed. In the app, you are able to open the rear lid, close it. So yeah, with the app you can open and close the lid remotely as well. So the only maintenance you need to do basically is to clean out any debris or dirty things that's clogged up into this mechanism right here. So the way to do that is to unscrew these screws on both sides, open up this cover right here, and clean out all the debris inside, because sometimes debris can get in from this gap along the shutter, and once in a while, maybe a few months, you just need to open it up and check if there's any debris inside. If there are, then just clean them out. And also one thing is every few months you will need to lubricate the shutter as well. So again, open up and lubricate the inside and also the tracks. So it comes with a lubrication kit with the lubrication can. It's a canister, you just spray in. So yeah, that should be pretty easy to do. So one more thing I need to do with the rear tray door is to install some seals, rubber seal along this edge right here. So to make sure the door, when they close, is sealed tight. Because right now, there's a huge gap between the door and the tray. The side of the tray, there's a large gap. So dust or water can just get into here even if the lid is closed. So it's not actually sealed tight yet. So I will do that in due course. I actually did ask Ford about getting the seal from the wall track because the wall track actually comes standard with a electric shutter lid and with the seal as well. So in the wall track, everything is sealed up inside the tray, which is really good. But apparently that doesn't work. The reason being that in the wall track, the tray liner is actually different. In the wall track, the tray liner, the shape of it is actually very square. As you can see, very square right here. So the seal can go all the way up and seal this whole thing up. But in the Raptor, somehow the tray liner is actually different. So the tray liner has this kink right here, so you can't actually fit the wall track seal on the Raptor. Although the bottom one is actually the same, you have these holes where the seal can just plug into, but on the two sides they are different. So that's not very ideal. I'll probably have to get third-party universal seals to get this sealed up. There's also one very nice detail at the edge of the rear tray door. There's a ruler right here that's designed into the edge of the tray door, which is quite handy if you're on the run. You try to want to measure something or using the rear tray door as your workbench. And you have these clamp areas to clamp your tools. So that's really handy. So yeah, thank you for watching. This is a very short video just to give you an overview of my install of this electric shutter lid, which is very, very good actually. The quality and the operation is very good and it's very smooth. So yeah, once I install the rooftop tent, I'll do another video to show you how that works. So thank you for watching. Bye.